New Photoshop action, focus light effect. You can edit everything, and 10 collection, focus effect, and real color effect, black and white effect, and unlimited color changer. See, this is the real color tone, black and white, color option, color focus, matte color. No skill needed, just load and play. So go my download file, this is the hell file, and there is the format, short format, and the long format, details format. So now first we load our script. This is the action file. Load, go window, action panel, option, click, then action panel show, maybe right side, I have set a little left side, then option and load action button, click and find out my download file, this one, focus light effect, and load button, click. Now it's loaded. Up and down option, this is the folder and this is the script. You can open any type of photography, use any type of photography, and our custom option is available. So I have opened this photography now. You can use any high resolution size. For my video time saving purpose, I have used 3500 standard size. You can use any high resolution image. This is our image, and make sure your photography is RGB color mode. If not RGB color mode, then go image mode, RGB color. Just click the RGB color mode. Then make sure your photography is a lock icon show and background name is background. Sometimes some photography look like this layer 0, that is not accepting the action. If your photography layer 0 format or transparent PNG or other format, so you need to follow this step. Right button, click the mouse layer option and the fit in option. Now is set a lock background layer. Okay, now check all in on action and select this option and hit the play button, and is start working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. This action save your time and it's easy to edit and customize. We have set up all layer and every layer are editable. We have 10 different images set up the effect looking. So if not match your photography, but don't worry, you can manual custom available. And we have extra effect option and combine option and color combination also available. If you need our support, you can join our WhatsApp. There is the WhatsApp number. Okay, stop message, then that is the finishing result, and this is the on kind of default setting result. So there is the different type, 10 different type. If I uncheck this one and view the 10, number 10, now is visual mode and real color tone. And another one, see, and you can another one, so it's more dark. Okay, this time I have used this one or this one for is view perfect, and see the lighting and color is overlap the head position and some of body position automatically. This is the glow option. If you want to use the glow, so you can use the glow and glow the two, but I do not need this one. This is the decoration. You can decoration, everything is include there, just decoration like your choice. So there is the color effect. See the color looking, and another color combination. See, this is the real color and blue shade option. So if I use this one, this is one kind of color option, and I have used the shade option. See, there is the shade option. See, and uncheck this one, the color only for real color tone, And there is the surprise or black and white for magical color. There is the magical color setting different. See, you can check out all, and all are not same style and not same color tone, and making process is different and formula is different. See another one, and this is just extra if needed your working purpose for less the opacity or anything. And see, now is combine, and there is the color changer option. If you use the black and white, and you can use this one or use this one. See, now is more lighting, and double click this option, and property option show, and now you can change color. Just move and unlimited color change, nicely color setup, and uncheck this one and use this color setting. There is the another style color look. See, not same color style changing. This is the another shining color looking. Okay, and now you can use black and white, another one and another one. But if you use the black and white, then this color changer is not working. Okay, so uncheck this one, and real color tone, and use this color option. There is the another option. Okay, so or you can use the another option, the effect, use the 9 focus point, or if you think you use focus effect 1, and this one you like most, so you can check out the folder, and there is the 3 option. You can select any of them and select the marks, black marks point. See, black marks point, and brush tool, any sub brush, general selection, and any sub brush, and make sure your brush opacity is 20 or less, 10% or 20%. And now you can brush the area. See, it's removing, and top color is white, and you can brush and is viewing. So I need a little hair area. Okay, just magical. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, I do not need the more, just okay. See, and this position I need to more light, and this position just brush and automatically light. Make sure the selection is black marks area and top color is white, and 10% or 20%. Okay, same way you can check every layer and custom every option yourself. Now I have checked out another photography. Just wait. Now I open another photography, and this is not only portrait here, this is the long photography. So if you use the long photography, you can use, but I'm this time I have a short, and okay, and image size. See, you can use any high resolution, and already lock background layer. Now I am select and hit the play button and start working. Same way is wait some second. So result finish, and this is the result. See, and you can hide and use another one, another looking. See, that is more dark. So if you think that this one is a more light, so you can work with this option 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But I like to work this one, and check out this option, and top photo 3 and max option, and the brush just eye area and lips area. Okay, I think it's done. And you can use the black shade and shadow and color look. You can uncheck this one. This is the color option. See, Now is color option and change the color, double click this option and change the color, and is cinematic color looking. And use another one. See the black shade, and need to more view, so just work the layer. See, it's great. Thanks for watch this video and purchase this product. You can download this Photoshop action, MRI Studio, Creative Market MRI Studio. You can check our description link. We have included the link, and also you can download our product, our own shop, photoshopaction.net. This photoshopaction.net, you can purchase there, discount available, discount price, flash, check the flash sale, and free file available. Check out the free file section, all free file, and subscribe our channel.